What is the literal meaning of the Latin phrase caveat emptor? Let the seller beware, let the goods be perfect, let the buyer beware, या फिर let the contract be void. So correct option is option C, that is let the buyer beware. Under which of the following circumstances does the doctrine of caveat emptor typically apply? When the seller commits fraud, when the buyer informs the seller of the specific purpose and relies on the seller's skills, when the goods are sold by sample and the bulk does not match the sample, when the buyer relies on their own skill and judgment and does not intimate their purpose to the seller. So a correct option is option D, that is when the buyer relies on their own skill and judgment and does not intimate their purpose to the seller. Next question. The principle of caveat emptor is primarily contained in which section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930? Section 14, Section 16, Section 18 या फिर Section 21? So correct option is option B, that is Section 16. Next question. The modern legal trend regarding buyer and seller responsibilities is shifting from caveat emptor to caveat auditor, let the listener beware, caveat venditor, let the seller beware, caveat actor, let the doer beware, caveat lector, let the reader beware. So correct option is option B, that is caveat venditor means let the seller beware.